If one edge of a 6-inch ruler is to be marked in 1/10 inch units, okay, so there's going to be 60 of those little increments, how many marks will there be on the edge, including the 0 and 6, including, see that's the trick, that's the key word there that just changes everything. The 0 and 6 inch marks, there's actually going to be 61, because from 0, if one edge of a, we're gonna mark the 0 and the 6-inch marks themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From when we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, there's going to be from 0.1 up to 1.0 is going to be 10, and then from 1.1 up to 2.0 there's going to be 10, and so on. There's going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 up to 6.0, plus we're marking the 0.0 guy itself for a total of 61. This really, I mean, it's not hard to realize. Even when I started reading the question, I said, okay, 6-inch ruler marked in 1/10 inch units. Well, there's going to be 60 marks there, so it's not hard to realize that, okay, you've got 60, the answer is something close to 60, but you always have to be careful of plus or minus 1 errors. You know, are we including the endpoints or not? So, you know, roughly 6-inch ruler in 1/10 inch units roughly makes us think of the number 60, but then we've got to be careful. Well, is it 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, you know, kind of plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, off by 1 errors, just based on the details of are we including the endpoints or not. And so knowing that the answer is close to 60 is the easy part. Knowing exactly, you know, which of these, is it 58, 59, 60, 61, or 62, that's the hard part. I mean, I could narrow it down and tell you right away that it's one of these in the vicinity of 60, but then it requires more careful thought to think, well, exactly which one is it? We're including, let's say that we were just going from 0 to 1 inch. We would mark 0.1, 0. Well, we don't want to, let's not write that 1 in. 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 1.0. It's going to be marked like this on our ruler, and count them up. There's 11 of those marks. Now, there's, if we were to go on up to 2.0, if we were to continue on this pattern, we would go from 1.0 to 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, ba 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 ba, black sheep, ba 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 ba, and we'd get here 3.0, and each time there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them going from something 0.1 up to something 0.0 up to 6.0. There's a total of 60 here, but then there's one left over for the 0.0 mark, and so that's our extra one that gives us 61. Got to be careful with, you know, do your inequalities include the endpoints or not? Are we talking strict inequalities, or greater than or less than 2, greater than, less than, or equal to signs? Are we talking about, when we've got this range of numbers, are we including the numbers at the end of the range or not including them? Exclusive, inclusive? Beware of off by 1 errors, because they'll bite you if you don't.